Good day, everyone. Welcome back to your virtual learning class. Before anything else, I just want to greet everyone a happy new year. All right. Since vacation is done, let's now talk about the different occupational health and safety procedures. Are you ready now? Let's start. Occupational Health and Safety Procedures, or OHSP, refer to company procedures to take care of the social, mental, and physical well-being of its employees. Every company should have health and safety programs whose aim is to save the lives of the employees by eliminating hazards. Moreover, effective health and safety programs can result in positive outcomes. For instance, health and safety programs make employees aware of the diseases like food poisonings. For instance, they can acquire due to improper hand washing, personal hygiene, and cross-contamination. The kitchen is considered as the production area of food establishment, whether located inside a hotel, a restaurant, a banquet, or in other kinds of food establishments such as food kiosks and fast food chains. These food establishments may contain hazards which may cause accidents and injuries. Ill functioning equipment or sometimes carelessness can cause accidents to employees in the form of falls, cuts, scrapes, puncture wounds, and burns. So now, to avoid these things, we will talk about the different laws and organizations in the Philippines to ensure safety. So now, the following are government laws and organizations which affect and involve businesses. Their aim is to prevent untoward incident and customer and shareholder complaints. First is the FDA, or the Food and Drugs Administration, which was formerly the Bureau of Food and Drugs. They ensure that safety and quality of food in accordance with Republic Act, or RA 3720, or the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. To this end, the FDA conducts inspections and issues licenses for the operation of establishments involved in manufacturing, repacking, importing, and exporting, distributing, and retailing of processed food. Second is the Clean Air Act of 1999, or the RA 8749. Air pollution should be prevented by entrepreneurs through effective coordination of business function and activities. The primary focus of the Clean Air Act of 1999 is to prevent pollution by encouraging cooperation and self-regulation among citizens and industries. It also applies a system of responsibility in which business owners must follow government environmental regulations, most especially when the business negatively affects the environment. Third is the National Building Code, or the Presidential Decree 1096. The general provision of the National Building Code is to provide for all buildings and structures a framework of minimum standards and requirements by guiding, regulating, and controlling their location, siting, design, quality of materials, construction, use, occupancy, and maintenance, including their environment, utilities, fixtures, equipment, and mechanical, electrical, and other systems and installations. The code mandates entrepreneurs to comply with the National Building Code to avoid any accidents or unforeseen events. Next, we have the new Electrical Engineering Law, or the Republic Act 7920. This act aims to provide responsive and comprehensive regulation for the practice, licensing, and registration of electrical engineers and electricians. A government permit is required before making any electrical installation. It is also important to have a qualified electrician to make sure electrical items in the food establishment are in good working condition and are installed properly. And lastly, the Fire Safety Code or the Republic Act 9514. This outlines the rules and regulations to ensure that establishments adhere to standard fire prevention and safety measures. It is essential that all businesses have a fire safety program and that this program is assessed by concerned local government officials. As such, assessment will help prevent fires and ensure the rapid evacuation of the premises by all employees in case fire does occur. Further, companies should conduct a fire drill at least once a year so that the employees would know what to do and where to go in case of fire. All right, hazards in the workplace are common. The OHSP or the Occupational Health Safety Procedures were designed to protect workers and the business itself. Government codes and laws were promulgated to ensure the health and safety of people. Following health and safety protocols is therefore necessary. That's all for now. Thank you, grade 8. Stay safe and God bless everyone.